up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about ChatGPT. Now, what is ChatGPT? So ChatGPT is an AI that when you write something to it, it takes reference from the internet and it uses an answer from its language, and after it translates it into human language, for instance English. And it has very deep learning. It's like an AI actually. Each time when it gets run again and again, it gets better and better, because it's like us humans, more practice, better results. And also, this kind of AI is called unsupervised learning. And it's quite a powerful machine learning tool that will make a lot of industries irrelevant and useless in future years or maybe months. And it is a very powerful, and also it doesn't only take information from the internet, it also takes reference from the internet, but sometimes it adds things from reference from other pieces of internet. For example, if I ask them how many people are in the world in 2023, he told me 8.1 billion inhabitants. And then he continued some text from himself, because he took the reference from the internet, 8.1 billion whatever, but from each time getting trained from other words on the internet, he learned new words, and after he applied new things when he explains things. So he's not only taking reference from the internet, he's making his own reference with his own words. So just to give you an example of what it can do, this AI called ChatGPT, I will give you an example. So I asked ChatGPT to write a commercial for my coding YouTube channel in the style of Marlon Brando in The Godfather. It needs to be witty, that really just means smart, funny, and also make it clear that it is in the viewer's interest. To subscribe to my channel, here is the AI generated answer. I'm the Godfather of Code, and I'm here to make you an offer that you can't refuse. You want to learn how to code? You want to learn how to create your own websites and apps? Well, you've come to the right place. My channel is the premier destination for all of your coding needs. But why should you subscribe? Because when you subscribe, you're not just a viewer, you're a family. You'll have access to exclusive content, newsletters, and the best tips and tricks to take your coding skills to the next level. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, because in the world of coding, either you're with me or you're writing spaghetti code. And trust me, nobody wants that. I'm the Godfather of Code. I approve this message.